This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Yoruba stew using an easy method. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, like ripe tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions. Then, we'll prepare our chosen protein, whether it's beef, chicken, or fish, ensuring it's clean and seasoned. Finally, we'll set up our cooking area, ready to create a truly flavorful meal in about 1 hour. Now, let's create the heart of our stew, the rich base. First, blend your tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions until they form a smooth paste. Next, heat about 1 cup of palm oil or vegetable oil in a large pot and sauté some chopped onions until they are translucent. Then, carefully pour in your blended mixture and let it cook down for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring occasionally until the water evaporates and the oil floats to the top. With our base perfected, it's time to add the star of the show, your protein. Whether you've pre-cooked it or are adding it raw, gently incorporate it into the rich tomato mixture. This is also the moment to introduce your seasonings. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 bouillon cubes, and a pinch of curry powder to taste. Let the stew simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together. We're almost there. Before serving, give your stew a final taste and adjust the seasoning if needed to achieve that perfect balance. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh scent leaves or a sprinkle of finely chopped onions. Your easy Yoruba stew is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it hot with your favorite side, like fluffy rice, boiled yam, or fried plantains. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.